Here's one of the sharpest mid-sized trucks you'll ever see, and it's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this gorgeous 2024 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab 4-wheel drive Trail Boss. Y'all, this thing has got crazy low miles. It's super nice, and it's equipped with the tech package, the safety package, and convenience 1 and 2 packages. Rear corner assist steps, rear park assist, factory tow package, locking tailgate handle, backup camera, easy down, easy up tailgate. Really nice trifold tonneau cover and a sliding glass rear window. Trail Boss decals on the bedside. Beautiful 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with a great set of Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear air vents located in the back of the center console. It's sterling gray metallic with black interior, contrasting black door handles, gloss black mirror caps, really sharp fender flares. Just as clean inside as it is out. Trail Boss emblem in the grille. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror, factory integrated electronic trailer brakes, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got audio controls, cruise, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 9,600 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, connected Google navigation, backup camera with that really nice 360-degree surround vision monitor, heating and air controls, USB ports, 4-wheel drive controls, electronic parking brake, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, owner's guide, Carfax vehicle history report, and OnStar controls located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.